duty-free import threshold to go up. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The government has moved to increase the duty-free threshold for personal items imported into Jamaica. Speaking at the Jamaica Labour Party's annual conference at the National Arena in St. Andrew on Sunday afternoon, Minister of Finance Dr. Nigel Clark disclosed that the allowance will move from $50 to $100 come April. Further, the threshold for Jamaicans returning with goods abroad will move. Furthermore, the threshold for Jamaicans returning with goods brought abroad will move to $1,000 up from what? Furthermore, the threshold for Jamaican returning with goods brought abroad will move to $1,000 up from $500 from April. Furthermore, the threshold for Jamaicans returning with goods brought abroad will move to $1,000 up from $500 come April. This disclosure was made by the Minister of Finance Dr. Nigel Clark at the JLP 80th Annual Conference.
We pursue macro stability in your interest. We are working to improve the productivity of the country. The port and customs is a nexus for every service, every product produced. And as a result, we will begin debate on a 1,000-page customs bill to repeal and replace the old bill from 1945. And what that means, we'll have a modern and efficient customs. And when that bill is passed, I say to you, we're going to reduce the bureaucracy at the airports, reduce the bureaucracy at our ports. We're going to take a look at the threshold and the duty-free threshold. We're going to move it from $50 to $100 come next fiscal year.
Shout, 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 shout.
When you come to the airport, everybody bother you. What you buy abroad, you buy this or you buy that. I bother you, I stop you, I make the line long and let the line. We are going to address the threshold. When you enter the airport, it was $500. We're going to move it come April to $1,000. We believe in economic freedom. You go about your business. So, labor rights, you can be proud of the achievements of the Jamaica Labour Party. We are the party for today and we are the party for tomorrow. I don't talk about the third term. I talk about the next term. We're going for the next term. And you can tell people, tell your neighbor that we have the achievements. We have the achievements. Tell them that we have the vision. We have the vision. And tell them that we have the plan. God bless Jamaica. And God bless the Jamaica Labour Party.
The Minister of National Security, Dr. Harris Chang, also took the time to update the public as it relates to the crime problem that is facing Jamaica and what the National Security Ministry is doing to make life better for Jamaicans.
Today I come to you as your General Secretary who has never lost an election and we will not lose any. Shower labor rights. Today we celebrate 8 years as a Labour Party serving the people of Jamaica and the people of Jamaica and our party and our community as well. I give you a short report. This is our 80th year. When we started, some people start a little bit nervous. Let me say things that look so right. And my party leader asked me to go on the road. Hear what's happening? And I started in the hills of Clarendon, where the MPs are, Mr. Morgan, Siblis and Henriquez. I said, let us meet our people in the heartland of the Labour Party, the heartland of Jamaica. And when they called the first meeting, I could come back and say, leader, the people ready. The 34th day the road may be bad, but they know we're doing the work. They understand what you're trying to do for this country in building back Jamaica stronger. And we had the first of that over 60-odd gathering of labor rights across Jamaica when in Clarendon College in the evening, them come and labor right in Clarendon from bank to bank. We flood the place and everybody start get a little bit calmer. Because we see the workers, you who walk in the sun, in the rain, find the voters, carry the message, and let Jamaica know Andrew Holness is the leader for today in Jamaica. We continue across the country. When you reach central Manchester, you find the young lady who spoke, wonderful Rhoda Crawford, who knocked out the big man, the giant killer. I hear him run down the south, but I hear another lady down there waiting for him. We have a councillor named Mama Cherry, saying we have put him across him lap and beat him backside one time. Send him home after that permanently. And we're going to center, come west, went to St. James. And there, we're not asking the question. But Homer brought out South St. James and the team supported him. And we ram, jam, Antwerp High School and let them understand time the Labour Party workers ready to carry the fight, to restore our credibility and to carry Andrew Holness to victory. Whether it's local, national, or otherwise, any election we're going into, we come out victorious. Labour Party say, workers, when school call and bell ring and school call, we're ready to carry home our party to victory. In St. Anne, in the centre, it was the same message. Went to St. Anne, we had an MP, sitting down in a different place, serving up people with distinction, guiding our youngsters. We put a young man beside him in the seat, and now Northeast St. Anne, legacy of Shaheen Robinson, is again rolling and jumping and singing the song of the Labour Party, everything running right. Today, I can report to the country and to you, the workers, and you can see for yourself, we have to close the door for safety, that the Labour Party is ready and willing, and we send that message to our party leader. I want to say one message, a simple one. In the last few days, some people start talking about correction service, part of national security. The command go in there, and they write a good letter, Ninja Man. But that's something come from a man who said is leader of the opposition, Mr. Mark Golding. I want the country to know, every Labour right here to listen carefully. The Labour Party passed a law in 1988 called the Criminal Record Rehabilitation Act. It was the Expungement Act. So you could give every individual, especially young men, a second chance. So him go and serve a time, him come out, go through rehabilitation, him can get to do honest work without a record. That is the greatest thing to prevent recidivism. Because when him leave, him can go back to a normal life. If him don't get that expungement, him can go back to jail. So I see someone write out kind of letter. Is that same man in 2014 changed the law so a lot of Jamaicans who made a little mistake can't get no expungement? I have men in Montego Bay, him come out, him start a taxi service, him don't want to go back to jail, but him can't get him license because the man changed the law so him can't get expungement. I'm sure there are laborers in this room who have that problem. Family, son, daughter, they do a little thing, we're not right, but they pay the price. And Labour Party say you can get a second chance. The same man who I talk now is the one who cut the chance and you can't get a second chance. We believe in comprehensive security. We believe in comprehensive law enforcement. We give people a second chance, but also we prepare the police to find them when they commit the wrong. And we give the police the tools, the legislation. We have built more police stations than any other government in the history of the country. We provide the police officers with proper motor vehicles. It's them on the road, a fleet of cars to ensure that the police can protect and serve. We have recruited some 5,000 police officers and added nearly 3,000 to the force because we believe in protecting and serving the people of Jamaica. This Labour Party is built on service. We started in the cane fields of Jamaica, in the waterfront, the Bellevue Hospital workers, and we mobilized, energized, and educated the humble workers of the country that they are a crucial part of democracy. We'll work to build them, give them equity, give them a share in society. That is the foundation of the Labour Party. Today we celebrate 8 years of a party that served Jamaica and served its people well. Born of the trade union movement to work in the interests of humble Jamaicans. They used to call us Dudley Laborites. Now they are in the shadows of the sons and daughters of those Laborites who are leading the country to prosperity. We are committed to protect and serve, to restore order and safety, bring prosperity, opportunity to all Jamaicans. God bless the Laborites. 8 years of success and more to come. We will go to the road and surely the victory will be ours on the day when they ring the bell and call school. We are ready, prepared, and eager to get the work done. God bless you. Thank you all, to all our friends.
Member of Parliament Robert Montague also took the time to address the large gathering at the National Arena and also to update the general public as it relates to the infrastructure development that the government is currently working on and those that have been completed by the JLP.
Over the years, the Jamaica Labour Party, your party, has laid the foundation for building this nation. We guided the nation through storms and crises. We have steadied the ship and we have laid the foundation. We took the country through self-government, then independence, and under Andrew Holness, we're looking to a new republic. We in the Labour Party have laid the foundation for this nation. We established the Bank of Jamaica, the stock exchange, the Jamaican dollar. We Jamaicanized the economy, established the bauxite industry, the tourist industry, established tourism workers' pension, modernized agriculture, introduced Agro 21, established the NIS. We laid the foundation for building this nation. The Jamaica Labour Party established the UDC, built out Ocho rebuilt downtown Kingston, started Portmore, built Harmony Park in Montego Bay, a new town centre is being built in Morant Bay, built the Ian Fleming International Airport. We have laid the foundation for prosperity. We started the Student Loan Bureau, Hard Trust, the whole program. We had the first female elected representative in Jamaica, the first woman chairman of a party, the first female minister of government. The JLP started equal pay for women in the civil service. Jamaica Festival, the 100 Village program. We established national honors, invested in sports, established fish sanctuaries, and we established the boundaries of the cockpit country. We have recruited more police and soldiers, built and repaired more police stations, bought more equipment, 3 ships to patrol our borders, established the Jamaica Eye and the Cyber Division. The JLP laid the foundation for building this nation. We appointed the first Jamaican police inspector. We appointed the first Jamaican as a commissioner and chief of staff and the first Jamaican governor general. The first Jamaican matron in a hospital, built the first low-income housing scheme in Marvally, built the Children's Hospital, the Cornwall Regional Hospital, the Savlamar Hospital, and the Maypen Hospital. We have guided this nation through COVID, introduced television, then color television. We built 126 primary schools, 60 secondary schools, upgraded cars to UTEC, upgraded teachers' colleges, the University College of the West Indies to the University of the West Indies, the Jamaica School of Agriculture to CASE. We have laid the foundation for prosperity in this nation. But your party has not only done great things in the past, Look at what we are doing now. We're going to build a new town center in Portland, a bypass of Port Antonio, and a new highway coming into Port Antonio from the east. St. Thomas is no longer forgotten. Under the Jamaica Labour Party, we're building a new town centre, a new highway, enough development to take place at St. Thomas. In Kingston and St. Andrew, new water supply, 1,200 new homes, widening roads, and we see more cranes in Kingston building buildings and employing people. In St. Catherine, we're going to create a new parish. We're going to rebuild the Spanish Town Hospital. And we're building a new city on the Bernard Lodge lands. In Clarendon, we refurbish the Chapelton Hospital. New water supply in Mitchelltown and Rocky Point. New NIS building coming. And in Manchester, new highway, the Greater Mandeville Water Supply Part 2, Mandeville Drainage Program. And in St. Elizabeth, irrigation water for the plains of St. Elizabeth and water for the houses through the Essex Valley Project. In Westmoreland, Shrewsbury 2 housing scheme, new water at the infirmary, the Whitton to Darliston Road, and a new police station in Frome. In Hanover, the Chambers Pen development, the Great River water supply to take water straight across Hanover into Negril, the Chester Castle Road, and before 1 year, the Negril Aerodrome will become Jamaica's 4th international airport. We're building the bypass for Long Hill, Harmony Park, Ring Road in Mobile, Nub House and Hotel in St. James, in Trelawney, the Samuel Prospect Water Supply, a new ward at the Falmouth Hospital, refurbish that hospital, and a new fire station is coming for Ultra Spring in South Trelawney. In St. Anne, a new highway, the Savannah Housing Scheme, and we're going to be upgrading the Otrius Market. And if you notice conference, I never called St. Mary. Because in July 2020, the Prime Minister came to St. Mary, went to Tree Hills and Lighthouse Road and Gale, and he asked us in St. Mary to be patient because the people of St. Mary love their Prime Minister. They believe in their Prime Minister and they were patient. But the Prime Minister, our party leader, has now said it is St. Mary's time to shine. So he has approved $1.4 billion to sort out the industry pen housing scheme in Tree Hills. New flights coming to Boscobel Airport starting February. A new housing scheme in Galena. Titles for Lighthouse Road. The government has just bought Spicy Grove in Arokobesa to upgrade that settlement. New market for Highgate. Bypass for Arokobesa, Portmore, Port Maria, and Anato Bay. He is going to complete the Junction Road and design a new road to connect St. Mary to St. Andrew. We're going to design a new drainage plan for Port Maria, expand the Mason Hall water program. We're going to get the start of the Spark program because God knows we have some bad road down at St. Mary. Delegates, as we face a local government election, I can tell you that it is the Labour Party that established ALGA, paid councillors, established the National Solid Waste. We laid the foundation for building the nation. While I was a minister responsible for local government, we published a handbook for councillors, had training, introduced participatory budgeting, upgraded infirmaries, increased funding to councillors, returned power to the councillor, put councillors and mayors on the protocol list so that they could get an official passport, build the floodgates in the gorge to protect life, establish the Ananda Alert to help find missing children, and since 2014, I was instrumental in bringing councillors onto the central executive, the second highest decision-making body in our party. I played my part, and Brother Desmond has come and is building on that foundation. We are the party that has strengthened local government in deeds and not in talk. I am happy that as chairman, I can report to conference that all across Jamaica, in every parish, in every PD, we have our people. We have our canvas, We have our candidates. We are ready. We are ready for any election. We are ready. Desmond is ready. I am ready. The Prime Minister is ready. The candidates are ready. The party ready. But are you ready?
Labor
We have the best mayors, the best councillors, the best candidates. Our mayors and councillors have fixed more road than ever. And they're going to fix yours and more. They have repaired more street lights and put up street lights. They have cleaned more drains, put up street signs, built and repaired markets, fire stations, water shop, established tanks and water supplies. Our councillors even have sent people go on farm work. The Jamaica Labour Party can boast we have the best set of mayors and councillors in our history. There is no alternative. They are the only choice, the one choice. But Labour rights, let me just say to my candidates, big crowd won't make you win. Dancing till morning won't make you win. Noise won't make you win. You need to go street to street. Go to every lane. Go on every gully side, every hillside, every corner. Skip out no yard. Go house to house and engage the people in your division. If somebody vex with you, go make up with them. Build the love and unity, and then you will win your division. Our candidates are Jamaica's best choice. The people of Jamaica know that we are the Prosperity Party. They know that we are going to win the local government election, and we, the Jamaica Labour Party, are going to build out in every community the good works. The other people them from over so, them carry this government to court over needs. Them vote against the state of emergency. Them carry the government to court over criminal that the police detain. How come we never hear such people stand up for decent people? How come we never hear them a call for the FinSac report? Or it's true that them create FinSac and wreck this country? How come? And I want to thank Minister Nigel Clark for his announcement about contract workers. Minister Clark, thank you very much. You're sharing the prosperity with everybody.
JLP.
Such people don't love the people. They are selfish. They only want power for themselves. The leaders know that they cannot win, so they're running to look for the couple safe seat where they're about. They don't care for the people. If they really love the people and have a vision for the people, if you run and lose, you must never run left the people. When I lost my election in 2011, I never run gone away. I stayed and I worked with the people, and in 2016, the people gave me the most votes in the country of Jamaica. Them are looking safe port. Don't vote for them, Jamaica. They know they cannot win the election, so them looking safe seat. One run from St. Ann, Ghana, Westmoreland. Another run from Portland to St. Catherine. And one a move from Central to South. But them know something that we know. And if you notice delegates, every single one of them got a decent beating from a good-looking Labour Party woman. As good men, you must stand up and stay and redeem your name. But them know what we know. The women in those 3 seats have served the people so well that the people going to return them as member of parliament. So they run gone.
Shout, 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 shout.
But it's not only in those 3 seats. If you look in St. Ann, the 3 people that run and lose them runway. So 4 new face and then fight out the one woman with it up there. In Trelawney, them can't 2 new beaten tick come. In St. James on the one estate. In Hanover, 2 new beaten tick. In Westmoreland on the one estate. St. Elizabeth and Manchester, we have new beaten stick. And the one seat them have a Manchester, we are going to win that. In Clarendon, only one man is returning, and we want to say to Philip Enriquez, put your hand properly upon him, Philip. In St. Catherine, them all gone. In St. Thomas and Portland, 4 new beaten tick. And so help me God in a St. Mary, 3 brand new briquet. When you compare our candidates against their candidates, ours better. When you compare our ladies against their ladies, ours better. When you compare our team against their team, ours better. When you compare our leader against them leader, our leader is better.
JPL.
But as I close, I want to make an appeal. As we go into this campaign, the Labour Party want a peaceful campaign. The injury or death of any Jamaican over politics is not worth it. So when them start cuss you, walk away. When hot water drop, walk where left them. If fight start, party, we are the governing party. We must show responsibility and maturity. Remember that Jamaica is in our name. It's Jamaica first. So as of today, we will no longer put up this sign. As of today, we're going to put up this sign. Because as Favour Williams said, the 3rd term is loading.
Shout, 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 shout.
Go out there and win the local government election because it is an important step to the 3rd term. But we as Labourites, we are not selfish. We want 3rd term for ourselves. We want 3rd term for them too. 3 terms in government, 3 terms in opposition for them. So the 2 parties can unite. The 2 parties can unite. Put up 3 fingers and say the 3rd term is loading. Shower Labour.
Government members stated that this is the largest crowd they have ever seen gathered at the National Arena for an annual conference. Even the police had to cordon off certain areas and actually close off the National Arena as it was full to capacity. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and have more details to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.